Before your next trip, watch this. These travel items could save you from dirty hotels, hidden cameras, and big mistakes. When going out, you must bring this kind of foldable water bucket. It has a large capacity and even comes with a tap. There's a handle on top, so it's easy to carry. Just open it when you need it. Wash anything you want. After use, you can throw it in the car and it won't take up space. This is a must-have for business trips. When staying in hotels, we always worry about what previous guests used the kettle for. So I always keep a foldable electric kettle in my suitcase. It can boil water, cook porridge, noodles, or eggs. You can carry it on planes, trains, or ships. Very practical. A waterproof phone pouch. Buy it in advance. If you wait, it'll be expensive and ugly. This one has 4 layers of protection, completely waterproof. It even has an air cushion around it, so if it falls in water, it floats instead of sinking. I left my phone inside for half an hour. No issues. You can still take photos and use your phone through the pouch. If you're planning to play in water, get this. Bring a hidden camera detector when staying in hotels. I always check the room first. When traveling, protecting yourself is important. A mini peeler you can attach to your keychain. It's tiny but useful. You can peel fruit anywhere, whether in the car or outdoors. The blade is retractable, safe, and stylish. If you're traveling with kids, get this 3-in-1 mouthwash cup. It separates into 3 cups. The lid with a handle is perfect for children. It can also store toothbrushes and toothpaste for the whole family. Clean and hygienic. When going swimming in summer, bring protective hygiene stickers. They're soft, skin-friendly, waterproof, and help protect your privacy and hygiene in dirty water. Carry a bar of soap. Whether in hotels or outdoors, it's super useful. Use it with a portable soap box that drains water and seals well. Clean and convenient. I'll use hotel toothbrushes, but never their cups. I always bring a foldable cup. It's made of silicone, heat-resistant up to 230 degrees, safe, odorless, and easy to carry. A cable organizer bag. No more messy searching for chargers. It keeps everything neat and easy to access. This is not a pencil case. It's a foldable stool. Perfect for camping, picnics, or walks. Strong enough to hold up to 200 kilos and folds into a small size. Disposable underwear. Unlike typical ones, these are comfortable, breathable, and come individually packaged and sanitized. Perfect for travel. Small squeeze bottles for toiletries like shampoo or body wash. Easy to refill, label, clean, and reuse. Disposable compressed bedding sets. Clean, soft, and ready to use. Great for hotel stays. Compressed bath towels. Just add water and they expand. Soft, large, and reusable after drying. Portable slippers. Some hotel slippers are dirty. These are lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry. Another cable organizer, also great for small items like keys and lipstick. A glasses storage pouch. Protects your sunglasses from scratches and can hang on your bag. U-shaped travel pillow. Inflatable, lightweight, and comfortable for supporting your neck. A makeup bag with large capacity and a wide opening. Perfect for travel and daily use. Disposable toilet seat covers, clean, hygienic, and suitable for most toilets. Stain removal wipes. Perfect for spills. No water needed and leaves no marks. A foldable hanger. Can hang multiple clothes at once and dries them faster. A foldable hairband. Keeps your hair back when washing your face or eating. A small card holder. Holds cards, cash, and IDs. Compact and convenient. Barefoot shoe insoles and compressed socks. Comfortable, hygienic, and space-saving. A portable instant water heater. Safer than hotel kettles. Attach it to a bottle and adjust temperature easily. A storage bag that attaches to your suitcase. Keeps essentials accessible and organized. A silicone drain stopper prevents odors and insects. A portable electric mosquito killer can plug into a power bank for outdoor use. An air conditioner deflector curtain changes airflow direction without affecting cooling, easy to install, and reusable.